My name's Sally Bradley, and in this screencast we're going to look at core knowledge as part of the UK Professional Standards Framework. If you have any queries, then please don't hesitate to contact me on s.a.bradley@shu.ac.uk. Core knowledge. This supports the areas of activity and also the professional values, but we're looking specifically at core knowledge here. The subject material, the evidence that you use, what do you use to plan in your planning and design of learning activities? What is the content? How do you decide what material you are going to use in your teaching, in your assessment, and what materials go into the feedback that you give to students? This is distinctive in terms of the discipline, your discipline, and the culture, how the culture within the institution and also the discipline expects you to deliver certain aspects of content. So it could be that you are giving core knowledge, core information at the start of a first year course, but the subject material may well change, and how you deliver that subject material as the student is about to graduate, and you are looking to develop students into autonomous learners. So what are the issues and challenges arise from the learning and teaching that takes place at different levels? And this links with areas of activity 1, design and planning, an area of activity 2, teach and support learning. And here you'll see the crossover between the other elements, the other dimensions of the UK Professional Standards Framework. Now, there are some links on the Higher Education Academy resources for all the disciplines, and there's a wide range of resources available there on that link. Core Knowledge 2, appropriate methods for teaching and learning in the subject area and at the level of academic programme. I mentioned before, you will teach first year undergraduates differently to final year students and to postgraduates. And so the levels are going to be important, as well as the pedagogic approaches that you use. And this may well change. So it may well be didactic lectures when you are outlining core concepts, threshold concepts to start with, and it may change, the approaches may change for a final year student where they've developed autonomy and perhaps are doing a dissertation or an extended project where they are more in control. So you are not giving them information, but they are developing as autonomous learners, and you are supporting them in that learning. So that relationship will change. How appropriate is the activity? Why are you using perhaps a scenario or a case study with a certain group of students, but are giving a didactic lecture for others? Why is one better than the other for that content, for that group of students? And it's being aware of what underpins that practice. And this clearly links with Core Knowledge 1, the subject material. Core Knowledge 3, how students learn both generally and within their subject and discipline areas. So how students learn will be evidenced through demonstrating understanding of characteristics of those different learners that you've got: mature students, recent leavers, those involved in the workplace. That will impact on the context and the environment in which they're working. So how do you draw out that experience from learners who are in the workplace? How do you utilise their experience and use it constructively in the classroom? Certainly consider the different theories and approaches to learning that will help you support those learners. And this again relates very closely to the nature of the subject. and will be different across different disciplines. So materials to support how students learn, theory underpinning practice, so there are two links, teaching and learning theories, and then again the higher education have a wide range of resources. These are just some of the examples